Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Wednesday Addams on Dress to Impress. Super simple to do. Let's get started with the video. For the hair, I'm just going to use this one in no bangs and color it black. For the bangs, we're going to get it from another hairstyle, which is this one, in only bangs in black. There's a lot of versions of this. I'm just going to do my version, just color this witch skirt in black, and then get this in no feet toggle in black. Actually, I think I'm going to make it white because there's just going to be a lot of black, and then it's just going to be super dark and I can't see the socks, so color the socks in white and matte. You can, I guess, also make it stripes, but I'm just going to choose this. Then you'll need VIP for this. If you don't have VIP, I guess you can just find ways to add like a color to it. On the hem, color it white and then the rest in black. You can stop here, or you can add in the sleeves details if you'd like to, and just color everything black except for the cuff and trims and then the lace, and you are basically done. You can adjust it to however you want this outfit, but this is just an inspiration. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.